or raise fund. And they also do the fundraise and communicate together. They do their initial coin offering, which all of the network marketing companies in the past has done, and many of them are doing at the moment. What this means that they sell coin or token. And they take money from you, fundraising. Okay, now the concept of ICO is that we tell you that, let's say right now price is $1, and the price will go $100 on change, and they make many levels, like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and so on, any levels. They say price from $1 to $10 in level 1, $10 to $20 level 2, $20 to $30 level 3, 30 to 40 level 4, 40 to 50 level 5, and so on. And all of these price growth, it happen on website. What does it mean? It means that it has no value. It has no value. It's as simple as that. When the value will come, when you will get your coin listed on public traded exchange. This is the real value. This is the real value. Oh my God, this is the real value. Any value, it can be 100, it can be 1,000, it can be 100, it can be $10, but this is the real value because it gives you real liquidity against it. All of you know this. I don't have to teach you about this because it is your tried and tested version of coin companies in the past. It's nothing new for you. Hello? Hello? Sir, मैं Zoom में हूँ. Do I have to? Yes, sir. I'm in a Zoom right now. Thank you. All right. Your way one. This is concept number A, which you know very well. You worked before, you accepted before, and everybody liked this concept. This price raising concept. Compensation plan on this. This will lead you to a scam. This will lead you to fraud. And it is, you also know this very well. You have been there, whether you have worked in these companies or not. Maybe some of your friends have worked in these companies, maybe some of your old network marketer friends hasn't worked about it, but all you know, this is the end result. It's simple, 100% proved, and the result is that the operation will be closed. For any company who follows this. Because whatever market, some of the money they have distributed in the network, or sometimes more money they distribute in the network, and the money they collect from the ICO, they keep only 20 to 30% of that money with them. And the problem is that $1 of coin will be $100. And they have to liquidity, and they have to multiply it by 100, and it is x minus 70%, because that is the money which is distributed in the compensation. The more coin will be sold, the more liability will be there, and they will never be able to provide the liquidity to the exchange. So what they do? They list the coin for $100. Everybody go and sell the coin. Within few hours, it becomes $0.001, because no liquidity to back up the price of the coin. It's simple mathematics. And this is why they have failed. We can also follow this business model. And we don't need auto upgrade. Sir, we don't need mining. Yes, Vivek.
Sir, actually, sometimes your voice is not clear. I guess because of network only. It is coming up and down.
Okay, now tell me, is it better now?
No, sir. No, sir. Sometimes it is fine, but sometimes it gets low and then up and low and up. It's still like, sir, we can go ahead. We can go ahead.
Let me change my position.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, am I audible now, Vivek?
Yes, sir. Perfect. Perfect, sir.
All right, thank you. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me also bring some water. Please wait for a second. Okay, I'm fine. Everything is good. Vivek, can you confirm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely good, sir. Good, good.
All right, thank you. Right, so if we follow the same roadmap, which is ending in here, we don't need outlook grid, we don't need mining, we don't need staking, and we don't need to build a real project. We don't need to build a real project. We don't have to go to exchange. We don't need it. This is a proven successful model where community is happy. Always. But for a very small period of time. Probably a couple of months. And then ended up with the liability in the market. And this is very easy way for us. We don't have to work much. We don't have to, because this is something which is going on the website. It's something like simple money rotation. You give $10,000, I'll give you $2,000 weekly. Simple money rotation. Nobody has to get trained. Nobody has to learn anything. Simple, nothing. The business will depend on inflow and outflow. I believe I'm talking to you people, and I'm talking to you and you understand everything I'm telling you right now. Probably I'm giving you a reality check. I'm telling you reality. And you know it. So it's not something that I'm telling you that you don't know. We can sit idle, we can enjoy the money, you can enjoy the money, we don't have to work much. We can make a nice compensation plan here, and people will be selling it like crazy. But after, when you end up with this, people, they come and complain. And they say that, we have worked hard, we have given this and that, we have trusted the company and everything, and company scammed us. Everybody is a part of a scam because you are smart people, and you know if you follow this roadmap, it will end in a scam and it will end in a fraud. But you don't worry about that at the moment. Right? And I also discussed it about last time as well, that system is ready, system can do this as well, but I will not be a part of this. I have given my face value to ESPN Global, and I come from a nice background. I'm not going to ruin my life for the sake of few people who are not able to understand. To them, it is very easy to, easy marketing, simple, money rotation. You give me this much, I'll give you this much. They don't want to tell something. They don't want to give any kind of training. They don't want to give any kind of education to the market. Easy money, everybody wants easy money. So because of those few people who believe in this concept, I'm not going to change. Right? And if the market wants to go with the plan number A, ESPN Global will run with the plan number A, but without me. You will have another person who will be better than me and probably much more good in terms of training and knowledge and everything. But I'll resign from ESPN Global. I cannot go with plan number A. But you can make money, you can make profit, and you can enjoy a festival of few days. And later on, you will run here and there with your phone off. People will be standing at your door, calling you every day, asking you for the money. So you choose your life, people. Now let's talk about the right way. B. And how it started. No ICO, which means we did not raise any fund. No fundraising. No token selling. No liability. So you have to choose. You have to choose A with the liability or B with the no liability. So what is plan number B? How does plan B work? With plan B, you develop a real project. And you follow the parameters so that you can be considered good in the real crypto space. Because if you go with plan number A in crypto space, they call you scam. MLM coin, shit coin, fraud coin. This is you. If you go with plan number A in real crypto space. On the other hand, you consider to be good if you come up with the real project and you give benefit to your community. Why we are not selling coin is a big question and supposed to bother you a lot. Because everybody does that. So, what we are doing, we are building a real project. We are already talking to you about this. We are coming up with the head-to-head betting case. We are coming up with the application. I already spoke about it in the past in my Zoom sessions, so I need not to go over again and again and waste your time. Right? And I can also, very proudly say that I have told in my 2 Zooms before, I really don't care whether everybody will work or not.
Sir, sorry for interruption, but your voice is being echoed, sir. I guess second device is also.
Yeah, because on one device I'm taking the Zoom and the other device I'm doing the presentation.
Right, sir, right.
Well, let me know if it gets better. Better now?
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Better?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
All right, thank you. So yes, I'm very clear here that I'll work in the right direction, which can lead you towards a nice, big, good, prosperous life. And the money you are making, you can enjoy that money is the motto. Right? So let's talk about the roadmap. And also let's talk about the calculation, because you are not able to do it and you are not able to understand your more benefit. Let me clear a few things before. All the packages till 31st January are gone on auto upgrade. To package B. To package B. It will go C. Auto upgrade package C will never go. It is because it is not required. You can consider it as an announcement as well that auto upgrade to package C will never happen. First thing. Second thing, packages A, all packages A will automatically go to package B after 45 days. Any more which you are taking from the market, you need to be you need to be very clear, and you need to be very much giving the presentation to. You have to tell that your package A will go to package B after 45 days. From B to C is manual upgrade. Which a person can do, a person it is give the captain, you understand, so you decisions accordingly. Alright. We need to mine at least 10 lakh ECN every month from the month of July. It's necessary, because if we don't do that, we will not be able to be traded on any centralized exchange of any sex. If you are dreaming of having your coin in Binance or Huobi or let's say KuCoin, what do you need? You need volume. And how to get that volume is a question, because we are not selling anything. This is also a big question to us. How will we get the volume? So we need to mine at least 10 lakh ECN. We need to start mining 10 lakh ECN from the month of July anyhow, if we have to carry this roadmap of building ECN a lot and making it 5x or 10x in coming future, 5 times value or 10 times value in coming future. It is important for us to start the mining. And as we work on the POS technology, we have only two ways of mining, is either with the mining packages or either with the staking. There is no other way. All right. So let's talk about, so please keep this in your mind. Whether you collect any further packages or you don't collect any packages, it is your decision. But I'll work with those people who is working for the sake of good future. Right? And before I'll complete everything, I'll talk to you for 5 minutes. So I'll keep it for the later time, right? So this is going to happen, but B2C will be only manual upgrade, no auto upgrade, because it is not required by the system. Now let's talk about what benefits you get, because you don't know the benefit. You just, because probably I take this on me, because probably I am not able to explain you, so I cannot put it on your seniors. But I am taking this responsibility on me because you don't know the benefits. And once you're going to know the benefits, you will be happier at me once this session will be closed. So let's talk about the benefits. And you do your maths. Okay, now, your package A, $50, going on package B, $127, auto upgrade. Okay, now what happened with package A? You get $5 let's not talk about dollar. You get 5 EPT monthly for 12 months, which is your gaming wallet, or you can call it your super contest wallet, something, or super contest wallet or something. Yeah. This money is basically not claimed. You cannot claim it. Neither it is a liability on the system. When you upgrade from this to package number B, you start slabs, because you don't know this. Now you need to pay attention here. We have 3 slabs in the system. Slab number 1, a slab between $50 to $127. This is slab number A. What you get? You get a mining income of 28 EPT, 127 to EPT 39, and yes, you get a mining income of 14% monthly. You don't have to reach 127. Suppose your account is for 50 EPT, you have a game wallet of 30 EPT, your new balance is 80 EPT, and you get a 14% benefit of your gaming wallet in your mining wallet. The money which you don't know is lying in your wallet, which is of no use, nothing, you are making 14% of mining income on that inactive EPT, on that inactive money. Can you hang on? Just hold on, my other device got disconnected. Alright, so any money which is adding to your 50 EPT is giving you 14% of mining income. How? Suppose adding 50 EPT, $50. You got $5 of game wallet to this in first month. In second month, you got $5 of game wallet more. Third month, you get $5 of wallet more. All these game wallet money which is in your game wallet of no use, it is going to give you 14% monthly mining benefit, and will come to your mining wallet. So your game wallet is already being used to give you income which is zero for you. On every single ID, your dead IDs, your bottom IDs, all the bottom IDs, the maximum IDs. In your commander package, you have 64 bottom IDs. You get income on all the above IDs. These are the 63 IDs you get income on, because these IDs are ace and other rank holders. Your main ID, your main bottom line is of 64 IDs, you make no money. You only get game wallet here. All these IDs which are of no benefit for you, all these IDs can give you 14% of monthly mining reward. This is benefit number 1. And this is costing your company. We have 4 million accounts, 5 EPT monthly. At the moment, $20 million. This company has accepted $20 million, which is no liability. The company has accepted it, giving 14% return monthly on this money, because we have simple one target, that we need to mine ECL. This is the only target we have. And this money of 20 million is, my friend, is for the company. Let me give you the database of the company. Is lot bigger than your super matching bonus, and I'll show you. So company is claiming $20 million back, which is company don't have to claim, and giving you 14% of this. And it's a daily income. So this is the biggest benefit, because all your bottom IDs are now productive. All these bottom IDs are now active. Benefit number 1. And if you can calculate, these IDs will give you more benefit than the ID you are getting at the ACE rank holder, and I'll give you the calculation. Benefit number 1. So slab 1 is a slab from $50 to $127. Any single addition, let's say your game wallet or your super matching bonus, which is adding to this, on this you are getting 14% of monthly mining income in your mining wallet. And the moment you reach 127, you get 0.8 EPT daily, which is approximately 19% monthly mining income. The moment you reach 127, you get 0.8 EPT daily. But even before hitting 127, any addition to this money, that addition amount will give you 14% return. Your game wallet is giving you returns of mining. Okay, this is benefit number 1. The second slab is 127 to 239. You can put your ID on auto upgrade. Here you will get 19% monthly income. This is additional income apart from your all other incomes in your mining wallet. And the slab number 3, the moment you reach 239, you get 2 EPT daily in your mining wallet. This process is manual. However, this process is automatic. And every single ID coming from the 1st of May in the system will go to auto upgrade. I told you before, auto upgrade B only. Auto upgrade to C is not possible. We cannot do that. In 45 days, it will go to package number B. Now let me give you some calculation and mathematics. How much you can earn from just a gaming wallet, which is of use for you. But let me also give this to you. Okay. Your IDs are 127 per commander, right? And let's consider a game wallet for 3 months. Game wallet of 4 months, game wallet of 5 months, game wallet of 6 months, game wallet of 7 months, game wallet of 8 months, game wallet of 9 months, game wallet of 10 months, game wallet for 11th month, and game wallet for 12 months. 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7. So this is a game wallet from the 3rd month, because the ID is from the from the January till the back till the 12 months. All right. Your game wallet will be $1905, $2540, $3175, $43810, $4445, $5080, $5715, $6350, $6985, and $7620. This is your game wallet on your Commander package. Multiplied by 14% of mining income. On this amount, which amount is zero for you? This amount is zero for you. Okay? Now you are getting 14% of mining income on your zero money. You must celebrate this. 14% of mining income. You can write down 266.7, 355.6, 444.5, 533.4, 622.3, 711.2, 800.1, 889, 977.9, and 1066.8. This income of Game Wallet, this is a minimum income which is a bigger than the SMB of your ACE account. Let me bring my charger because this is closing. Okay. So now,
Finish what? With 1,000 people.
with 1,000 people? Yes. It's more than that. Okay. Okay, it's better now. So, yes. All right. So this is your mining income on your game wallet for 1 year on Commander package. And my friend, if I talk about this income, all of these incomes can convert to ECN, which we are expecting at least 5 times to 10 times in next 6 months. in terms of price. You can multiply these incomes, all of these incomes, 5 times or 10 times. Because it is convertible to ECN, and ECN is on exchange, and you can exchange it against Ethereum. And this turned out, if you even multiply this by 10, it's 10,000 ETH, $10,000 against 0, because your game wallet is 0. Okay. Benefit number 2. This is benefit number 2. Benefit number 3. Mega binary. You will automatically getting mega binary now, because all the packages will automatically go on upgrade for 45 days, and once the package will go on upgrade, and the moment the package touch $127, you will be allotted with the 50 mega point, and matching of the mega points you get mega binary. And before I talk about this huge concept, let me see if I have Rajesh is on the line. Rajesh, are you with us? Can you raise your hand? Immortal Rajesh, yes. Well, my friend, let us welcome to the first guy in the history of ESPN Global who has achieved the capping of mega binary bonus today. Today, he has did a capping of $15,000 of binary. $15,000 EPT in one day as a binary income. Let me see if I have the screenshots. Just hold on. Oh yes. Let me share this with you. You're probably gonna like it. He achieved $15,000 of binary in one day, plus $2,500 of regular binary because he's immortal, and he started working on package B and C with his team a couple of days back. And let me share his ID so that you can check. Now he is going to make $15,000 every day, along with the other income he is making, because he is understanding the system and he is pushing his team towards an everlasting long journey. Let me share it. Share. Awesome. Next. Done. Just hold on. Come on. Okay. Let me open it. Just hold on.
Sir, till the time you are sharing the screenshot, I would like to thank to you. You are the only one who makes us a proper person who, things done properly. Without your guidance, without your knowledge impartation, this won't be possible to achieve this thing. Thank you, sir, once again to you, sir.
Well, Rajesh, you will get a chance to speak, and you will get a chance to tell people also that
Yes,
what made you working with the packages, and what made you I'm on a call right now. Yes, yes. Okay, I have got your ID open, and you got. Okay, just let me show you my screen. Hmm. Okay, let me start this screen. Can you see this? Vivek, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see you. Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah, this is one of the accounts of who has hit the topmost mega binary volume and earned $15,000 of binary in one day. Rajesh, carry on now.
Sir, once again, sir, thank you to you. Because of your guidance and without your knowledge, this thing won't be possible for me. Now, when I get to know about this thing in the detail after sitting with you, to what is all about the ECM, and we already making the millions of money every month, but with the help of this package B and C with the same effort, now we can make 5 times make millions. Which means it's very easy to make the 5 million money every month on month basis. Like we are promising ECM will go to the 5 times or 10 times. With the help of package B and C, it's very easy now to make the $5 million every month on month basis. It's very simple, just to follow the system, just to give we need to just impart the knowledge, give the proper guidance to our team. What is all about package B and C? What is the real benefit? In my team, nobody has denied about this thing. When I say you need to update your ID with this package B, and if you are comfortable with the amount, go with package C. They say, yes, we are ready, once they get to know. Now, in my team, everybody is looking just for package B or either package C. Nobody is now selling with the package B. Because now everybody know in the next 45 days they need to jump to the package B only. So why not to start to sell the package B only? It's really, sir, very good, sir. And the best part, when they get to know about this thing, whatever the dead IDs, actually the remaining 64 ID in the one commander package, it's actually a dead. So many people have not created the transaction IDs even on that. Now everybody is happy. Oh, this is a game wallet which is a zero value and we are having a $30-40 on that. And on that we are getting now 14% of income on that also. They all say hats off to the management. They never see this kind of commitment, dedication and support to the community where they are having a zero liability, but company has taken the liability again to them and giving 40% return on them. Really, sir, fantabulous, wonderful. And by this of I hit the today's target because after starting yesterday auto upgrade process, I targeted I need to hit this target in any cost with support of my entire team, with support of you. This has been done. Thank you to you also.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh, and congratulations on your hard work.
Thank you, sir.
On your hard work and see people. It's sometimes just you have to break one barrier and you have to just go forward and you just have to do it. People are not understanding the value that they are making with package B and package C because of your game wallet is included. And I'll show you this. Whether you don't know, I am always saying because I take the I can show you one ID and also tell you how to see which packages have been upgraded and which packages are not upgraded. So please pay attention to my screen. This is let's say an ID, right? Let me close the announcement. You can see it is upgraded to package B, but it is a package and you need to see that how many IDs have been upgraded, how to upgrade instead of crying out loud. You click on here on upgrade Go to upgrade subscription. This is your B team upgrade and C team upgrade. Let's go to the B team upgrade. Once you're going to click on team upgrade, you will find all, it's a commander package. You will find all your 127 IDs here. All IDs. Okay. You can see that how much money is required for the whole package. Only $499.5, and this guy can complete the whole package in package number B. Why? You, like I told you, you see this miracle, this one, the ID number 63, because the last 64 IDs is the IDs at the bottom IDs where you get only game wallet. You can see this ID is 7-month-old, and it got $35 of game wallet on all the dead IDs that Rajesh was also talking about, that people even don't make the transaction password of last level of their IDs because they get no benefit on those. Now you can see these last 64 IDs got gaming wallet calculated. Gaming wallet calculated of $35 on each IDs. I'm talking about the last IDs only. If you go above that, these are the IDs which got the ACE package SMB of $3.8 plus $38.8. And if you go up, you can see the other IDs as well. And on the right hand side, it tells you the balance required to upgrade. You can select the IDs yourself. Suppose you want to top of sale only 10 IDs. You can select. If you don't want to upgrade all the IDs at once, you can remove by this. You can see all these IDs are removing from the list and coming on the other side of the select team, and you can see now the balance is less. Anytime you can deselect more IDs, and you can see now it's $34.99. Pay attention here. When I am deselecting some IDs, it is deducting the price. You see, it's going down. You can do the IDs of your choice, if you want, and you can do the IDs later on. It's not necessary that you have to upgrade all the IDs at once. And suppose you want to add IDs, you click here again, and all the IDs will be added to your package. So you can select or deselect from here, and you can work accordingly. You can choose the IDs of your choice from here, and you can upgrade them yourself. Now these $35, my friend, which is lying with your ID for 7 months for zero, suppose this guy is not paying the rest of the money, and he is just keeping it on auto upgrade, what he will make? Let me tell you, what is his income if he doesn't do team upgrade manual team upgrade. What if he do? What if does nothing? It's on auto upgrade and he is leaving his ID like that. What's going to happen? Let me show you. Right? So he has 35 EPT on all the IDs, on all 127 IDs. If you multiply, whether he don't do anything, 35 into 127, 35 into 127, 4445. This game wallet is already accumulated, and his mining is already started on this amount, already started. Okay, and he is getting 14% of monthly mining income of these IDs, of this amount. If you calculate 14% of this, he is making monthly 633.3 EPT, which he is going to convert into ECN, and this will be 5 times or 10 times very soon. And he can sell the ECN and take the Ethereum from exchange. And if you can calculate this, if you can calculate this part, just this part, 633 multiplied by 5 into 10. It is bigger than super matching bonus of whole commander package. It's bigger than the super matching bonus of the commander package. So from the game wallet only, he is going to make more money than the super matching bonus of commander package, because he has the opportunity of getting it into the ECN. And also, he is going to make mega binary of all these the moment ID touch $127. On all the IDs, we are going to make the mega binary. Moving ahead. One more thing I would like to share with you is that your package number A. Your package number A, which is of 50 EPT, is now changing. We are making it 50 EPT of package A plus 20 EPT, which will go to staking. This staking will give you 0.5% daily staking benefit, because we need ECN, plus for 19 EPT you get ECN directly to your MetaMask wallet. Directly. You're getting it in your MetaMask wallet directly. What difference it will make? It's again beyond your imagination. More. This 19 EPT, you get the ECN in the MetaMask wallet, which means you get the direct liquidity of Ethereum. Because I told you, the first 100,000 MetaMask wallet, we are giving the ECN without gas fees. Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna buy ECN for $19, you're supposed to pay like $21 of gas fees. And also, you are paying no premium, because your ECN is at the exchange and it is the real Ethereum. You buy Ethereum in the market, you pay fees and you pay premium. Here you are not paying. But this is only for the first 100,000 MetaMask wallet. These $19 will directly go to your MetaMask wallet, because we need 100,000 MetaMask wallet within next 25 to 30 days, because we are doing 500K of airdrop of ECN in next 20 days, because our first decentralized head-to-head betting application is going live. With every single registration, we are giving $5 of ECN as an airdrop. This is how it is going to be. So all the incomes which you used to make, you will make, plus this income, this is plus. Plus you get the ECN in your MetaMask wallet. You get a chance to get the ECN in your MetaMask wallet of $19. Probably, if you keep it, it will be 5 to 10 times in no time. And this is your benefit than your just this amount. So it is going to be $89. In which $19 is a gift for you, because you get the ECN, which is of more value, and you get the staking with a 5.5% of daily staking benefit, and you can also convert it to ECN. ECN can be converted only two ways, either staking or mining. You cannot convert your master wallet to ECN. You know it very well. So this is how it will go. Package A, $89, in which all the old benefits, now people will be immortal sooner, plus 0.5% of daily staking benefit, You already got your staking wallet. You can see it there. Plus $19 of ECN directly to your MetaMask wallet. After 45 days, it will automatically upgrade it to package B. Which means you have to pay approximately 38 EPT only, 38 EPT only to move to packet B. And trust me, if you just keep ECN for, let's say, some time, you will be getting at least $38 of value. So this is going to be the scenario. This is ESPN 2.0. And your ECN is going to be, I have shared a video of yesterday. It's also, we are launching the Payway. We are expecting a very huge community involved in Payway from our Asia and Africa countries. There is a very revolutionary product. It's a real tech, real product, and a very game changer. It will give you the utility of everything. And we are having the ECN in the Payway, so you can do anything you want with that. There is nothing more beneficial for you than the auto upgrade. Leaders are more now are working back in getting the you are getting a chance to get the ECN in the MetaMask wallet, which is bigger than your imagination. With just 20,000 airdrop, it is doing 100x. The people who let me also tell you, people are in the market, right? Because many of your brothers have got the ECN. It's $100. You call them and tell them that you are paying $200, and let me know if they sell it to you. And this is how you understand the value. You call them, you tell them that okay, I'm asking for ECN, I'll pay $200. You can drop chat message to me and coordinate with me. I'll pay you $200 for ECN. I'll share you my MetaMask wallet address, anybody who has got the ECN. It's $100 on the exchange, I'm paying you $200. And you got it for free on airdrop. Can you sell, please? Double the amount. You have my email address, you have my WhatsApp number. If you want to sell your ECN coin, please coordinate with me. I'll pay you $200. And if still you are not selling it, then you have to realize the real value of it. If your friend is not selling it to you, you need to realize it. The whole work which runs for generations, which can run for years, and you can be a lot more real money maker, a real person in the market. And why I'm telling you, because with package A, when we're going to put it, you will be realizing that people are selling packages by just giving value on the website. We need ECN in the market. We need MetaMask wallet with our address, because we have a very heavy roadmap of it and we are working very hard. And we are willing to give you more benefit, more money than you are making just from a compensation plan. Today, you have seen a person who made $15,000 of mega binary. It's just a binary. And on the screenshot, you must have seen that he got also $2,500 of his immortal coin. achievement. What are you waiting for? For what purpose? If you work in this direction, first of all, you are not in liability. Second, you are $500,000 a month you are making. $500,000 without a single liability. Number 3, you will be feeling better because you will be teaching people, training people. Instead of asking them, give $6,000, I'll give you $300 weekly. That is liability. That is liability. Everybody has started it. You have got an opportunity. I have given you the calculation. Try to show you something. From just a game wallet, you are making more than a super matching bonus. Pay attention to this. Auto upgrade is for the real life, for the real money and quick money. And I would still suggest, I would still ask you to go with the package C manually, because right now is a time when you can enter and get the ECN for a lower price. Don't delay. You have already, many of us have already missed the chance of getting the Bitcoin and Ethereum when they were $5, $10, $100, $200. We missed that chance. We still regret about it. We still think that we're supposed to buy it 3 years back. I was told by my friend in 2014 example, but many of you have the same story that, oh my God, I know in 2015 my friend asked me to buy Bitcoin, it was $300. Why did not I buy? In 2017, 18, after the bull run, it went to $3,500. Why did not I buy? Ethereum went back to $150. Why did not I buy? And you are regretting today when you see the price. You have an opportunity of converting your income to ECN in a very early stage to score more ECN, to get more ECN in your wallet, and it is in your MetaMask wallet. And try and understand the fact that forget what has happened in the past with the coins you worked with, because they have followed the fake direction of working it. It has the same ending. It's supposed to end in a very same way. We are building a real project for you. It is the best opportunity for you to get a piece of ECN when the price is low. Convert as many mining packages as you can. Get as many ECN as you can to mining so that you can have more ECN when the price is low. Because you mark my words, I only say what I prove. You will regret it after 6 months when the price will be very high. You have the opportunity of converting and getting it in your wallet today. My job is to tell you I'm doing it. The people who will do it, you will find many people around you who you will be talking to that, okay, if I would have done it by that time, I would have been in a very big position at the moment. 50-60% of the people who understand me and follow me already started converting the package of their team. The self-upgrade packages, they are calling their team and asking them to make it manual upgrade. I have told you how to do the manual upgrade. On the left hand side, go to the 4th button, you have a subscription, click on upgrade subscription, upgrade the packages. Your game wallet is already calculated. You just have to pay the rest of the money. And you're going to start mining from tomorrow. As a leader, you will get the mega binary. As the investor, the person will start getting the mining income. It's not deduction, it is addition. It is not deduction because you are thinking it's a deduction. It's an addition because the money is there in your manual upgrade section. Go check. It's not taken. It's not taken by the company. It's there. You go check. Your game wallet is there, counted, calculated, accumulated. Go check. Pay the small rest of the money and get the ECN mining today. Because from tomorrow or after 2 days or 3 days, it will automatically go to the package B. And also you got two pools of 1% and 2%. If you do it before, you get the entry to the pool. And I already told you the income of the pool is bigger than the income of Immortal because it's a limited period pool. Do the manual upgrade, get qualified for the pool. Okay, can you see the hands who are going to follow because that is the most important thing for me. Olive. Thank you. It's so many. Oh my God. I'm overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. Thank you. I am sufficient. It's more than what I always keep in my mind. I always keep 10 people in my mind that if I have 10% with me, we can do the journey again. It's more than 200 people. Thank you so much. Thank you. I get everybody. Everybody. Yeah. Yep. I get it. Yeah. Please. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you. Oh my God. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you so much. Okay, let me talk now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Don't do it. Thank you. Okay, let me talk. Thank you so much. Thank you.
They will not stop, sir. They will not stop.
Thank you so much. Leave it. Let me. Okay, just let's focus for five more minutes. Okay, just 5 more minutes. So we are going to do this. Stop. Okay, whatever you have done before, it's okay. However, your monthly income, your weekly income is bigger than what you are getting. Right? Whatever investors you spoke to, you got their packages. It's just a matter of 4 weeks. You tell them after 4 weeks their weekly income is bigger than their current income. Their monthly income is bigger than their current income. And it is for a longer time, and it can be multiplied by, it will be 5 to 10 times because you can convert it into ECM. For the packages which you have already taken in the past, because I know many of the people, the sales people, they don't even give the plan, they don't even tell about the company. They say, hey my friend, if you transfer $6,500 of Bitcoin to this account and you will get this much every week. Thank you. This is their business plan. This is why you are a little bit worried about it. But let me tell you, as per the calculation, for the 1 month only, there will be, because when we started, you're going to get these mining incomes from your game wallet. Your monthly and weekly income is bigger, a lot bigger for your investors than what you're giving them right now. And that is a real income without liability. That person will not, never, ever call you and ask you for the money. Whatever money you are making, you should enjoy that money with your family, your friends, your relatives. That is more important than making money and getting into the problems. And also later on giving money back to the people from your pocket, the money which you get from the hard work. That is wrong way. Whether you make even less, you must enjoy. That is more important. Okay, so the ESPN 2.0 it started. I'm volunteering myself as the first person to say ESPN 2.0 is now on. Whatever we have done in the past, this time we're going to multiply by 10 times, 20 times. Activations, users, multi-millionaires, people, everything, and we have real projects already. In last 8 months of our journey, we have developed so much, not only in terms of business and community, but look at the development that the company is doing and growing. The moment you're going to get that payway card, you're going to realize you got this small magic piece in your hand. Magic piece in your hand. So let's begin with the 2.0. All the people you know, all the leaders you know who are telling you that the company is 8 months old, 7 months old, but it's late, to tell them this is the past 1.0. tell your story, tell your achievements, and now it's 2.0. You give them a call one more time and tell them, boss, you can still come on board. We are starting journey number 2. 2.0 is starting. You are still new. Feel free. You feel like you are starting in a new day 1. Because 2.0 is day 1. So all the people who are thinking they are late, tell them, day 1, you're welcome, you can come. This is my achievements, and this is what we are going to do. Multiply everything 10 times, 20 times than what we have done in 1.0. Give this speech, call them, tell them, and they will come. Because you got a real project, you got a real thing, you got real things coming to you. Everybody is passionate, and everybody is going to be very much overwhelmed when you give this call to them and you tell this to them. Right decisions at the right time had made countries big in the past. Please acknowledge it. All of us come from places where right decisions taken by some right people are the reason of what we are today. Okay, so my best wishes are with you. I am here with you, working with you, and let me also tell you, whatever you are thinking right now in your mind, your imagination will be multiplied by 5 times. Just give me a few more months and let me deliver you something very extraordinary and exclusive. Alright, so thank you so much everybody. Yes, one more thing now, one more thing. It's very important. Everybody please start running your Zoom sessions, because right now it is a mode for the training. Many of our people, we have only 1,000 people here. They don't know what is going on. I'll run 2 Zoom sessions every day. One for all of you and one especially for the African nations. I'm taking Zoom every day in the evening for you. Every day. Alright? All the models of Africa, you will get my message. You will get the message from your upline with the link. Bring all your people and everyday training for them. Because I got so many emails and calls, they are not coordinated well. It's our responsibility to coordinate them, tell them. And tomorrow also 3 p.m. I have my Zoom. So they will talk about the same thing again and see the figures, the facts, the calculations. It is a heat time. Let it be more heated. Alright everybody, I wish you a very wonderful day ahead. Evening 2.0, here we come. Congratulations everybody. Take care. ECM. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck
Thank
everybody.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day, sir.
Yeah, and I'm also going to give you the 2 videos. You will get the videos from the administration and management of the company of how to create the MetaMask wallet and how to get your MetaMask wallet integrated with the Uniswap, so that everybody please get ready with the MetaMask wallet of the ECN coin, because in next 2-3 days you will be getting ECN coin of $19 in your MetaMask wallet with package A. Alright. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good day, sir.
Have a good day. Bye. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Please take care of your health, sir. Have a good food. Have a good time to sleep. I understand, and everybody knows like you are working really very hard. We can understand by looking at your face actually. Your eyes are looking swollen.
Yeah, they are very slow. You see, very
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah.
You can see it
It's
from
fine. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. No problem.
Please take care of your health, sir. Please take care of your health.
No sleep. Yeah.
Millions of people are actually behind you. Millions of people.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. You have a wonderful day with your friends, family. Enjoy and take care.